Gotta bring out the big gun degreaser, the heavy duty solvent based cleaner and degreaser. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys recall recently on my IS video, that car is an oily mess underneath from all the years of leaking oil from all the main seals or whatever. So today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna jack it up, I'm gonna spray it with some solvent degreaser, let it sit for a little bit, and then do some pressure cleaning, clean all that up before I do my timing belt service or any other service underneath that car, just because I need to get rid of all that damn grease. Anyway, stay tuned. Gotta bring out the big gun degreaser, the heavy duty solvent based cleaner and degreaser. SC200. Yep, it's grease under this IS. Gonna spray it on there full strength. Yeah, let this baby dry out a little bit, but look how much cleaner it is now. No more oily ass mess down here. I sprayed everything down with that pressure cleaner. I used that little rotating one that I use for my driveway and sidewalks, and it helps really get into all the nooks and crannies and crevices of getting all that oil out. That thing was all over the ground. Luckily I had that cardboard soak up most of that when I was spraying it down. Over here on the steering rack and the steering column, everything looks pretty clean. I did miss a little bit of dirt right there. Some of the stuff I'll probably end up just scrubbing once I start doing the maintenance on this car and taking everything apart, especially up top here. I cleaned most of the gunk off and the thick stuff, so now it's just a matter of just deep cleaning it once I get in here to do the maintenance. Thanks for watching this quick video on that pressure cleaning the engine bay and underside of the car. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna be starting the maintenance on it now that I've got everything clean and I can work with it and do the timing belt service without getting oil all over myself. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time.